Hi, I'm going to show you how to replace the screen on ASUS S46C laptop. It's fairly very simple. I ordered the screen from laptopscreen.com. So let's get started. First of all, take off the battery from the back. For that, just pull out these covers and the battery should slide out. That's your battery right here. Now, we're going to start off by taking out these two tiny screws that are behind these tiny tabs, because I've opened my screen before, so you won't see the tabs anymore. However, you can always take a flathead screwdriver and take them out. These are these tiny screws right here, 1 and 2. Rest all the screen is held on tiny clips. We're gonna take out these 2 screws, save them somewhere secure. And take a flathead screwdriver. I usually pop from the top or the sides so get easy access, and it just comes out. As you can see, the whole cover slides out. It's just being held on these tiny clips. Be careful not to break them. Do not force it. Just jiggle it a little bit and it's gonna come out. Now what we're gonna do is, if you see, the screen is held by 1, 2, 3 and 4 screws. We're gonna take these tiny screws out and put them aside. And be careful, they're really tiny so you can get them lost easily. Take them out. These screws are different from the screws that we opened before, so there is no chance that you can mix them, so don't worry about that. Use a magnetic screwdriver, something like, go to Canadian Tire or Walmart and get these ones, so you don't lose your screw or it doesn't fall anywhere. As you can see, just bring your screen down, and now this is an important portion. You can see the connector of the screen right here. I'll show you in detail how the connector looks like. This is the connector. To take out the connector, just take this tiny tab out. Be careful with it so you don't damage it. Pull it out, and if you hold 2 hands, this is the connector that's going to slide out. This opens your old screen. I have a few cracks on the screen, that's why I'm replacing it. Now, we open the packaging of the new screen I ordered. It comes with a tiny tab that has a glazing on top. So we're going to start by attaching the connector. To attach the connector, how you took it out, just be careful, just slide it in and you're set. The connector is slided in. It should click from both the sides. Put the tape back together, and we're going to place it exactly how we took out the old screen. There is just one way it's going to fit, so there is no way that you're gonna get it wrong. Just be careful of that wire that is going towards the screen. It's better that you adjust the wire before. It has a side clipping already, something like this. Just make sure that it's going around the pattern and not to damage it. Then we're just going to put all the screws back. Do not tighten them a lot. They just need to hold the screen in place. Before you do anything further, clear out the battery. You can fold it back again, put the battery in place. Battery secured. Flip the laptop, check your screen. That it fits perfectly. Once everything is in place, you can take this tiny cover out. The cloth is out. Put the cover back in. Start securing it from the bottom clips to the top. Just press it firmly till you hear a click. Put these two screws back at the bottom. And this is how your screen is replaced.